Hi, this is Maria Lawton, the Azorean Green Bean, and welcome to Maria's Portuguese Table. Today we're going to be making almofadas com chouriço, or pillows stuffed with chouriço.
This recipe will make 18 appetizers. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Line the baking tray with parchment paper and set aside. You'll need a frozen package of 2 puff pastry sheets, defrosted and at room temperature. You'll need a 1-pound package of chouriço and honey for drizzling. Remove the casing on the chouriço and cut the links into rounds. Place them in the food processor or blender and pulse until the sausage becomes a paste and set aside. Now that the pastry sheets are defrosted, you need to unfold and lay out the first sheet on a very lightly floured counter. Each sheet is about 9 inches wide by 9 inches long, so you can cut along the folds to give you 9 squares, 3 inches each. Place a small spoonful of the chouriço paste in the center of each square and fold in the corners over each other and place on the baking tray. Repeat the same with the other pastry sheet until you have 18 pieces that are stuffed and placed on the baking tray. Place in the preheated oven and bake until golden, about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. Drizzle the pillows with honey and allow the pillows to cool a little before you serve.
Look how beautiful they look. You're gonna love it. Everyone's gonna love it. And it looks like you've spent forever doing this. You'll have that sweet and spicy combination, and they're going to just love it and want more. Enjoy.